you clicked on this video, this message is for you. If you are one of the people who are going into 2024 or 2025 or 2026, my videos are timeless, I want you to know that it is not too late for you. In fact, this is only the beginning. I want to tell you that May 2023, I had 30,000 subscribers on YouTube. By changing my mindset, getting into the state and doing state akin to sleep led me to now having 143,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Within 9 months, 110,000 people joined me on my channel. I'm pretty sure we hit a YouTube record because I've never in my fucking life heard or seen anyone do this before. Take it from someone who actually did this. I was yearning to be a big YouTuber. That was my life goal. I put it on the highest of highest pedestals above everything else, above love, above money, above friends, above everything. I simply decided that as of right now, no matter fucking what, I have 100,000 subscribers and you're gonna have to pry that from my cold dead hand. So I don't care what has happened before this video. Right now, you get to decide that you have exactly what it is that you want. All I did in order to get my 100,000 subscribers was to get into the state, meaning I am now the person with 100,000 subscribers. And then I used SAT. So for 6 weeks, I fell asleep with this exact image in my mind. Rita Kaminski, my profile picture, 100K subscribers. I photoshopped it. I looked at it for 5 minutes straight. I meditated on it. I studied it. And then from then on, I implanted that image into my brain. It was stamped, ingrained, tattooed inside of my vision. So as soon as my head hit the pillow every single night, the only job that I had to do was see that image in my mind. My only job was to transfer that image from consciousness to unconsciousness, meaning I am in bed fully awake. I have that image in my mind. I'm slowly getting drowsy and drowsy and drowsy, and I'm still having that image in my mind. I'm still having that image in my mind. I'm still having that image in my mind, to fully falling asleep with that image in my mind. I did that for 6 weeks and my subscribers and my views absolutely skyrocketed. It didn't matter about the circumstances, it just happened. You know why? Because I embodied the state and I said that no matter fucking what, I'm getting exactly what it is that I want. I'm done waiting. I'm done with chalking it up to divine timing. I'm done with these bridges of events. And I just decided that those things don't exist anymore. It is whatever I say it is. So all you have to do to literally get your dream desire, your dream life, anything that you want, is be specific, decide what it is, and simply get into the state of having that thing already. I don't care if it's getting married, moving in with someone, being fully financially free, not having to work a 9 to 5, helping your mom buy a house, having infinite amount of money, growing a YouTube channel. But I'm telling you right now, this is your sign, and please listen to me. All you have to do in order to get this thing in 2024, just like I did, is get into the state. I don't care how you do it. I did it with SATs. Take everything away, and your only job is to get into the state and consistently stay in the state and not overthink it. Did I overthink that I checked my subscriber count about 10 times every single day because I was so excited? And also, I low-key wanted it to go even faster, even though my live subscriber count was literally blurry damn near most of the time. Was I scared that it was all going to stop all of a second? Yes. Were there nights where I forgot to do SATs? Yes. Did I get into the feeling of the state of the wish fulfilled like Neville Goddard says? Absolutely fucking not. I made it as simple as possible for myself. I decided once that I have 100,000 subscribers, I'm done with playing, and the only thing that I have to do is have that image in my head, stay calm at all times. I don't care if I'm overthinking. I don't care if I have doubts. I don't care if I have negative thoughts. I don't care if I have bad days. that doesn't matter. YouTubers with millions of subscribers have bad days. Does that mean that all of a sudden they don't have a million subscribers? One thing does not have to do with the other. There are people online that have a tiny following, like 1,000 subscribers, yet they are multimillionaires because they sell their courses by following their inspired action, because they have embodied the state of being a multi-millionaire, and that shit comes to them without a question. Deconstruct every single storyline that you've attached to everything. Everything is a limiting belief. The only truth is what you want, and that's it. It's as simple and as pure as that. We are humans, we like to put narratives and stories and reasonings behind everything. For example, I could have said, you know, I've been trying for 15 years and maybe that must mean that my channel isn't good enough. But I said fuck all of that, and I just went into the state fully knowing that I am deserving of this thing. I stopped getting clients for 9 days, and instead of me running a story behind why that must happen, like, my human mind is still creating scenarios like, oh, you know, I told my boyfriend this literally yesterday. It's Christmas, people are buying presents for others, you know, they must be broke, or my courses are 299 USD. Maybe that's too much for people, right? You can be creating all of these limiting beliefs and all of these stories, but it's up to you to grasp onto those limiting beliefs and say, hold on, is this ultimately true? No, people are buying things so much during December because it's effing December. People want to be their best selves at the start of 2024. So of course they're buying. Just because people are buying presents for their families does not mean that they don't have enough money to buy a course and invest in themselves. Just because you don't get clients, Rita, for 9 days does not mean that all of this is going to end. Just because you've set a high standard for your courses does not mean that there are people out there willing to invest in themselves, in a course that is of high value and high service and worthy of massive compensation. As soon as I identified those as limiting beliefs and ultimately not true, I started getting clients again, literally within 5 minutes. I'm not even joking. So we're saying fuck you to all of the limiting beliefs, and we are sticking to the script. We are sticking to exactly what it is that we want and nothing else. Make this a pure, clear channel for yourself. What do you want? Do you want to marry your SP? Cool. Wipe away all of the limiting beliefs. Get into the state of already being married to your SP right now. Pick one technique or two techniques to saturate your subconscious mind. Keep on doing it and do not look at the time. Was I going to give up because I was doing SATs and on the second week I was still not getting any results, even though every single YouTube video says get your desire by tomorrow? Did I look at that? Did I look at the comments and make it mean something when people were saying, but you don't have 100,000 subscribers? How embarrassing. No, I stuck to the motherfucking script. I had my eyes on the prize and I was only looking at what I wanted. You don't have to start January 1st, 2024. You can drop everything right now. Pick the one thing that you want to manifest and embody the state. Prioritize this thing. Saturate your subconscious mind. Pick a technique that will saturate your subconscious mind. Do not look at anything else. Keep on going. Do not look at the time. Do not look at the limiting beliefs. Look at yourself being in the state of having that which you want. That's it. Keep on going, stay disciplined with this until it falls in your lap. And it will absolutely fall in your lap. The fact that you are watching this video is a sign that if I could do it, you can do it too. And I am telling you step by step exactly what it takes to get there. And it's actually very simple. So let's stop fucking playing around and grab your desires by the balls. This is really not fair to yourself. If all of your friends were taking their children to amazing schools and you had the opportunity of taking your child to a good school, would you or would you not? It is really fucking unfair if you don't put that child through a good education system when you have a way of doing it, right? So why the fuck are you doing this to yourself? This is unfair to you. You are not getting what you want. You are putting yourself at a disadvantage while everyone else is getting their desire. Are you going to let that happen? Are those people really better than you? No one is better than anyone else. Everyone is equal. You are able to get this thing just as much as the next person because you are inherently worthy. Because you were born, that means you are worthy. Would you deny your sister or your mother or someone you love what they want? So why would you deny yourself that? I was working at a 9 to 5 and now I'm financially free. I can go anywhere that I want. Every single person in my past life is absolutely fucking gobsmacked. I'm doing my passion. I'm doing something that I have been breaking my back for since I was 12 years old. And now I'm going to Fiji in February. I'm going to Italy. I'm flying my mom out to Italy in May because she wanted to go all her life. I'm helping hundreds of thousands of people. I just hit 10 million views on my channel. So really, I've been helping millions of people. And that's all I've ever wanted. And it's just gonna keep getting better and better for me and for you. But please, the only thing that you need to do to get exactly what it is that you want, just like I did in 2023, in 2024, or 2025, or 2026, whenever you're watching this, is to get into the state. That's all you need to do. I want you to watch this video back every time you're feeling discouraged and tell yourself, if Rita could do it, I can do it too. Because there was really nothing special about what I did. All I did was decide in one moment that I have this thing, and then I put in discipline to do sats every single night until it fell into my lap. And it fell into my lap so quickly and easily. So I want you to repeat after me. It's already done. It's already done. It's already done. I'm not adding an introduction or a conclusion to this video because I needed to say what needed to be said, and I needed you to hear this before the start of the year. And I want this message to penetrate your mind. You will get exactly that thing that you want. Get into the state. That's it.